Hey everybody, I'm doing a test of the sound of 4 different Bluetooth headsets I bought. One is the TBI Pro, the other one is the POWERBEATS 3, the other one is Mpow Flame, and another one is Plantronics Backbeat Fit 350. And I've been buying different ones to see how they fit different and to see how they sound different because I wasn't happy with the first couple. But the Plantronics are the ones I settled on because they sound the best and they fit the best. So here goes. First one up is the TBI Pros. They sound good. They feel like a decent quality, but the microphone is trash. I bought them off Amazon for $30. So here goes. This is what they sound like. So like I said, it sounds okay from the bass and from the sound part of it for your ears, but the part I don't like is the microphone. The microphone sucks, and the people you call can hear that it sucks. And if you do a voice memo, it'll suck. So I'm gonna show you a demo of that next. Okay, TBI Pro testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let your ears decide. Yeah, didn't know they were so crappy, but anyway, later for you guys. Beats by Trey. The POWERBEATS 3 wireless. That's up to the mic. All right, so anyway, got that. So let's go to the recorder. The voice recording, let's get a test of how it sounds with the microphone. Yeah, they got pretty good bass. Like I said, I gotta push my ear pretty deep to make them sound right. Okay, this is the testing of the POWERBEATS 3 Beats by Dre wireless headset. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let your ears decide which ones are the best. There you have that. Okay, I'm testing the Mpow Flames. These sounded okay and they fit okay, but the only thing was bad was the mic again. Mic sounded like crap. So I'm gonna give you a sample of that. All right, these are the Mpows testing the microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let your ears decide. Yeah, noise cancellation was all right. It fit pretty good. Everybody's ears are different, so we know it's not gonna fit the same for everybody. But anyway, those are the Mpows. Okay, now we're testing the Plantronics microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let your ears decide. Testing the Plantronics Fit 350. Now I'm doing a test of the Apple earbuds that came with the iPhone 6, the wired earbuds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let your ears decide. So that's my opinion of these 4 Bluetooth headsets I bought. The TBI Pros were not good. The POWERBEATS 3, they were okay. The Mpows, not good. Plantronics Backbeat 350, they're okay. The best sound came from the wired headphones I've owned by Apple that came with the iPhone. Keep an eye on my channel. I'll keep doing reviews of products I buy and test, and I'll try to shoot the videos and get them up as fast as possible. You can also subscribe and you'll be notified when I upload new content. Thanks for watching.